Hello everyone. Welcome back to Websky TV. What you're about to see are some of the best, unbelievable moments ever caught on camera.
Oh, what's going on in the stacks?
Dozens of containers collapse and fall into the water at the port of Long Beach, California. The heavy stacks collapsed during unloading, sending more than 70 containers overboard. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
The clouds are clearing from the west.
Look at this.
Look at
Wow, that pilot's control is absolutely incredible.
Vuracak. Aha vurdu. Of.
Ordinary day on the water took a shocking turn as a 90-meter soup react slammed into another vessel in Turkey, leaving both yachts damaged. But luckily, no one was hurt.
Just drive. Zoom in.
This violent tornado ripped through Mendon, Iowa, turning a peaceful town into chaos with Jordan.
Jordan, let's go, man, please! Please. Jordan, let's go, man!
We're moving.
Now!
Go.
Now!
Go.
Jordan!
Moving.
Jordan,
Right. Moving left to right.
Let's just go, Jordan, please, man!
Yep, definitely not their best day at work.
That was way too powerful. She didn't stand a chance.
Representa na Fazenda 3, Boborema. Calma.
One of the most iconic sights in aviation, a 747 lifting the space shuttle, a true masterpiece of engineering and teamwork.
¡Ay, la vieja está moviendo! ¡Ay, te salió! ¡Ay, mi
Off et ya, off. Off direkleri de yıktı ya. Off direkleri de yıktı. Off. Başkan bizde bir şey yapalım. Gel ver yanına.
No quiere impresionar, no quiere impresionar.
A truck carrying brand new tractors suddenly caught fire on the highway, turning the entire load into flames within minutes. Watch this shocking scene at Dallas Ford Airport. A refueling hose goes out of control, spraying jet fuel all over the plane. A horse tries to jump but loses balance and lands hard on its neck. For a moment, everyone thought it was gone, but miraculously it got back up. A ferocious storm swept through the town, ripping off roof and unleashing chaos in seconds.
Olha isso aqui.
Tidak baik-baik saja nih. Wih.
Saya sedang di Jakarta. Jakarta.
Woi.
Patahin saya.
Woi.
Oh ya.
You'll have to give me your, holy shit.
Heads up. Yeah, you don't want to. Oh my God.
Thin ice. It's thin. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. Uh-oh. Go. Go. Oh no.
Watch this swarm of drones flying through a dense forest completely on their own. Each one makes split-second decisions, avoiding trees and staying in sync. This is the Sheraton Hotel in Mahwah, New Jersey, brought down in a controlled demolition on May 20th, 2025. The entire structure collapsed in just seconds.
Gede nemen soalnya guys. Gede nemen guys. Gede nemen guys. Ya Allah, selamat tolik, selamat tolik.
Take it, all the way, all the way, all the way.
Very large boomerang, as you can see. I'm probably not getting it all in the video. This thing's almost 3 feet from.
The Moscow Metro just introduced digital cashiers that look, talk, and move just like humans. The future has officially arrived.
А меня в Facebook новый пойдет?
Оплата прошла успешно.
Ага. Оплата прошла успешно. Она мне сейчас еще билеты даст, блин.
Хорошего вам дня.
In Alabama, a man hijacks a skid steer and leads authorities on one of the slowest yet most hilarious police chases ever witnessed. Tired of people treating his driveway like free parking? This Australian man came up with a perfect solution. He installed a motion-activated sprinkler. Now every unwanted guest gets an unexpected shower the moment they pull in. Problem solved. Watch as this historic DC-6 makes a powerful landing on a dirt runway, kicking up dust but holding its course with precision. A rare and impressive moment in aviation warfare.
What the hell? There is a tornado in the middle of Manchester. What?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. See you in the next one.